Yeah, hi, welcome to my channel. So, in this video, we will be learning about union and union all. These two are very important concept in ProcSQL. To understand union and union all, let's consider two tables. First table is EP1, which contains ID, name, department, and salary. And we have some values in this EP1 table. Also consider EP2 as another table, and in this we have ID, name, department, and salary. So let's try to understand this union concept first using these two tables. It removes duplicate rows based on all columns from the combined result. That means if we have one table EP1 and we have another table called EP2, and अगर हम देखें इन दोनों का टेबल का हेडर सेम है, and if we try to apply this union function, what it will do is look into this final combination. If you can see, we have this 2 and 3 column is duplicate in this another table EP2. As per this final result, what we can conclude is when we apply union function between EP1 and EP2, on the final result, इवन EP1 में हमारे जो दो रो हैं वही अगर सेम रो हमारे EP2 में भी हैं, so after applying this union function we will get these row only once. So that is why in this final result we have row number 2 and row number 3 coming only a single time. So let's try to understand this union function in our SAS Studio. So we have one table called EP1, and in this we have ID, name, department, salary and some values. And हमारे पास एक टेबल और है EP2, and in this we have ID, name, department, salary and some values. And you can see these two highlighted rows. When we apply union condition, this will come only single time in our final result. So let's see how we can apply this union function. Proc SQL quit select star from EP1 union select star from EP2 semicolon. So to apply this union, we are selecting all the rows from EP1 and we are applying this union, and then we are selecting all the rows from EP2. Let's see the result now. So you can see हमारे पास 2 और 3 रो सिर्फ सिंगल टाइम आ रही है, बट हमारे टेबल EP1 एंड टेबल EP2 दोनों में ये रोज प्रेजेंट थी. सो दैट मीन्स when combining these two tables using union, we are getting this only single times. Now let's try to understand union all. So we have two table EP1 and EP2. We are getting all the records from EP1 and also we are getting all the records from EP2. That means in the final result we have all the data from EP1 and EP2 both tables. Even though हमारा ये वाला रिकॉर्ड और ये वाला रिकॉर्ड कॉमन है इस EP2 में, बट दैट रिकॉर्ड इज ऑल्सो रिफ्लेक्टिंग इन आर फाइनल रिजल्ट. तो हम कह सकते हैं यूनियन ऑल इंक्लूड्स ऑल रोज फ्रॉम बोथ डेटा सेट कीपिंग डुप्लीकेट्स. So now let's try to understand union all in our SAS Studio. Again, we have two tables EP1 and EP2. Now proc SQL quit select star from EP1 union all select star from EP2. Now let's run this. So now if you can see this 2 and 3 is here also, and also this 2 and 3 is present here. The reason is because this 2 and 3 ID is coming from EP1, whereas this 2 and 3 ID is coming from EP2. Although these two records are same, but it is reflecting in our final data set. The reason is because we are using union all instead of union. Going forward, I will be posting few more questions related to SAS and SQL in this channel. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.